tendency to be very, very junky, and this is why I call it the Junkyard Gardens. However, today we are attempting to clean this place up. See, one thing about RV living and living off the land, off grid, and downsizing and all that is you don't have much space. See, I live in an RV and I don't have much space. So what we're doing is we're building this building here. It's attached to our coop, to our little, what is that? Our little barnyard, whatever that thing is. And this is what we're building as a storage shed. So I'm sick of looking at all of my stuff all over the place. We've lost so much. Don't mind those little children. I have a lot of them. As some of you may know, but all my stuff is everywhere out here, and because there's no trees or anything like that, when the wind comes, the wind blows everything everywhere. So we pick up trash and we put them in the bags, we tie them up, and then either the wind blows it all over the place or my dogs come and tear it out. So there's like trash everywhere, and I think this is such a waste of beautiful land. So what we're doing today is we're going to clean it up. So I'm not going to record all of that. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like now, and then I will show you guys what it looked like after. See, all of this right here, these are clothes that I have nowhere to put them at. I should just throw them all away, but I have lots of kids, so yeah, those are clothes. That's the area of clothes right there. That's my laundry room right there. Not really my laundry room, but that's where I throw all of my laundry at. I put it in bags and I just toss it right there, and then when I want to wash them, I come and get clothes, and then I take them and I wash them. Okay, so that's my laundry. Over there, you have my kids' tossed up park area. They said that's their park area, and all that stuff is just stuff everywhere. So we see all of that, and we're just going to clean this up. When we get back, you'll see that place over there filled with this stuff that's out here, but it will be nice and it will be neater, and you will see how my junkyard garden turned into just yeah, whatever. So stay tuned. We'll come back and show you what we have done. The sun's trying to bust through. It's a cloudy day. Yeah, I will tackle this area first, and then we'll show you what we've done, how I transform my junkyard garden into something not so junky. Out here, we are making progress. We're making progress. We got a lot of trash up. We have organized. We have moved our all those bags of clothes and all the boxes, and got them set up and ready to be built in. We're just gonna build around them. So this was all full of trash here from where the wind blew all the trash into the bushes. And I have my two little helpers out here, Zeke and Knox. My two big helpers helping me pick up the trash. And my two big boys over there like to play. They're playing as usual. Are you sure? Burnell, what are you doing? Why do you have your hands on that thing? Go ahead, stack the boards up. Good job. Everybody's working, getting busy, hopping to it, because we realize that no one's going to do it for us. We know that. So we got to get it done, get it done, get it done. Just wanted to update y'all on our status. What we got here so far. We got up most of the clothes, and now we're working on trash pickup. Junkyard Gardens. Even though it's called Junkyard Garden, we don't really want it. Sorry. We don't really want it to look like a junkyard. I just cracked my baby. Sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. Oh. Okay, everybody. So we have come a long way. We still have a lot to do. We got to organize the garden over there. That wasn't on our to-do list today. our to-do list was to basically organize this stuff and get this stuff put over here so we can build our storage. So we have all of our stuff put up over there and covered in tarps because it looks like it's going to rain. So we're trying to treat everything with caution. So have the tarp and everything over there. We have everything. We picked up all of those bags of clothes that was here, and we picked up so much trash. Oh my goodness. I think that little cleanup yielded us, let's go count, yielded us, so we organized all of this stuff here, got all this stuff up. Let's see the lights, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and there's one in the truck. 5 bags of trash. Whew. Well, we still have a lot more to go.
Okay, people, here. This is animal feeding friendly. And we have 7 goats. Making a video. And we have 7 goats and 8 chickens. We have 13 baby chickens right there. You see them? You see them? 18 baby chickens. 13 baby chickens. See those? We only keep them outside at nighttime.
It's starting to look like we got a farm over here, huh?
Yep. A farm, people.
My oldest son has been in here naming the goats.
That's Queen Nestor. That's Ruth. We don't have a name for that one.
That's Emma. Over there is Sue Ellen.
Sirach and Judah.
Sirach and Judah. Then you got Tyrone, that's the rooster.
BP, Tyrone, Miss Becker,
BP.
Mama Georgie, and the Red Oaks.
You have the Red Oaks. They don't have a name yet. So you got Tyrone the rooster.
He's a Red Oak.
Then you have BP, that's Black Princess. Those red ones are the Red Oaks. Then up there you got... All right, it's time for animal. You better hurry up. Uh-oh.
How about some corn? Oh, not too close to each other. Go back. It isn't as wild as it was when I first fed them today. They were fighting each other.
They're not that hungry right now. You already fed.